Hello students, today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting topic, find the adjacency matrix with directed graph and undirected graph. So first we find adjacency matrix with undirected graph, later we find adjacency matrix with directed graph. Okay, so what is given? Find the adjacency matrix of the graph. So in this graph you see this is simple graph also, and with how many vertices are there? 3 vertices are there. Okay, so how to find adjacency matrix for the given graph? First we should know what is adjacency definition. Okay, so let A equal to Aij n by n. This is nothing but order of the matrix. Okay, here what is n value? N is nothing but number of vertices. Okay, you see from the given graph we have 3 vertices are there. Okay, so we consider both rows and columns are vertices only. Okay, so you get what is your adjacency matrix? You get 3 by 3 adjacency matrix. Okay, so what is the meaning of 1? So number of edges between a vertex Vi to Vj, we are saying value is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, so that is equal to 1 0. When saying 1, number of edges between one vertex to another vertex, we are saying 1, otherwise 0. Okay, so now we find adjacency matrix from the given graph. So we consider both rows and columns are adjacent vertices. Okay, so UVW, how to assign value is 1 or 0 from the given graph. So first vertex U to U. So what is the meaning of U to U? How many edges are connected between U to U? Okay, here there is no edge between U to U, which means self loop. Here there is no loop. Okay, so we are saying value is 0. So next we take U vertex and V vertex. Okay, how many edges connected from a vertex U to V? Only one edge is connected. So we are saying value is 1. Okay, next one U to W. You see U to W, one edge between U and W. So we assign value is 1. Next is go to second row. First vertex V, second vertex U. How many edges between a vertex V to W? Only 1. So V to W you get assign 1. So V to W you get 1. Similarly V to V there is no edge. So assign value is 0. What about V to W? V to W one edge is there. So assign value is 1. Similarly W to U, assign value is 1 because one edge is there. W to V, one edge is there, assign value is 1. W to W there is no edge, so assign value is 0. Therefore this is called adjacency matrix from the given graph. Hence A equal to what? 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. When we will assign 1, number of edges between one vertex to another vertex, we assign value is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, so now we find adjacency matrix with directed graph. Okay, so find adjacency matrix of the given graph. U, V, W, 3 vertices are given, 3 edges are there. So using directed graph, we have to find adjacency matrix. Okay, so we know that the same. We know that A equal to Aij n by n. What is n? N is nothing but number of vertices. From the given graph, 3 vertices are there. Adjacency matrix will be what? 3 by 3 matrix. And also we consider 3 rows and 3 columns are only vertices. Okay, when we will assign 1, number of edges between one vertex to another vertex, we assign value is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, so we consider 3 rows and 3 columns. Both rows and columns are vertices only. UVW. Okay, first one. You take first vertex U, second vertex also U. So how many edges connected from U to U? There is no edge between U and U. So value is 0. Okay, coming to second one. U to V. U to V means we start from U, ending point is V. There is no edge from U to V. Here one edge is there. This edge is called directed edge, and also it starts from V to W. Okay, V to W, not U to V. So here also value is 0. What about U to W? U to W one edge is there. It starts from U, ending from W. Therefore, how many edges? One edge is there. Assign value is 1. Similarly, V to W one edge is there. Assign value 1. What about V to V? There is no edge between V to V, so we assign value is 0. What about V to W? There is no edge between from V to W. So value is 0. Next, V to W to U. What about W to U? There is no edge between W to U. So we assign value is 0. Next, W to V. W to V, one edge is there. It starts from W, ending point is B. So we assign value is 1. What about W to W? That is called self loop. There is no edge between W to W. So we are saying 0. Therefore, it is called adjacency matrix with undirected graph. Okay. So hence A equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So we consider both rows and columns are vertices only. And also it is called what? 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.